Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at XLM. None of this is financial advice. We're just going to look at some charts. Don't know what the news is as of this evening, but anyways. So it's looking like XLM is more primed than XRP at the moment. So we're looking basically at the same type of market structure here on the 4 hour. Same thing on the daily that we've been looking at, this downward consolidation. So this is almost a bearish indicator for XRP. Not quite though. We didn't get bearish engulfing. Price is starting to go up. What caught me was the XLM. Again, not saying get in this or anything, but we had a break of the channel right here, retest, rejection. This is more bullish looking to me on the daily, and price is starting to go up right here. So on the 1 hour, you're not going to take a lot of time here. Here we are in the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we're looking at across past 121.121, and let's see. So this is the same pattern, but for some reason, and I've noticed this, I don't guess there has to be a reason. That's kind of like a retail thing, got to find a reason why. But, or a lot of people do that. I know I've been stuck doing that. But really, it just depends on what kind of trading you're doing. If you're a passive technical day trader, mathematical trader, then you're just working the numbers and you have a setup. This for us would be a setup. Just on the break here. Also, let's look on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, I think it's actually shows here. So we broke right here, and this is actually one of the reasons why this caught my attention, is because we completed the pattern here. This is actually an ascending, nearly ascending triple bottom. 1, 2, 3, each higher than the next. Okay, so we broke here. This triggered a lot of people to come in, cross this neckline right here, if you want to call it a neckline, right here. So we broke, triggered buyers, boom, slam, liquidated a lot of people right here, guaranteed. So this is a bullish sign to be back, this is a bullish sign, even though it's bearish candle, long wick. We had a break, dump. So we had breach across the neckline, downward consolidation. People were freaking out. They got the stop losses done here, a lot of them. So we didn't go up right here. We had a deep contraction. You see this a lot on XRP too. So next thing to be looking for entry on the 4 hour was this line. Let's see what it is right here on, whoops. Let's see what it is on the 1 hour, or sorry, not 1 hour. Yeah, let's see what it is on the 1 hour right here. So a break above here, or a break above this consolidation for XLM. Again, we have falling channel, downward consolidation, potential bull flag. Let me change this a different color real quick. You can see it. So make it yellow. Make this line a little bigger. So I just want to single out. We got a few different patterns going on here. And so we have a downward consolidating channel after a complete pattern, broke structure. So just watching this right here, I was typing and stuff a lot for the group inside the signals channel. And if you're seeing this in there, then if you have any questions, then just reach out. Also, if you're seeing this on Win with Ryan, then leave a comment. and we'll get back. But I figured it'd be easier to go ahead and jump on a video here than to type all this stuff out. Didn't want to take up a whole bunch of time. Let's look again at XRP. Also, we're seeing ADA go up. H bar hit our target already. This took 23 days, or actually right here. So I guess we're going to also do like a trade update. So 30%, 20 days. Seems like a long time, but set it, forget it. Also, we were looking at XRD. Looks like we're going to come down and fill in this gap. So this might make a good place for a buy limit maybe. But point is, on this one, we dropped this in the signals group. So we're looking at basically the 5 cent mark for XRD for Radic. Not the best risk management right here, but basing this off of resistance levels here. Let's take a look at, let's see, let's look also at ADA. So this one's had quite a run. Looks like we have a bull flag here forming. Oh yeah, we had a gold trade this morning that's still running on the, took it on the 1 hour. Just wanted to point this out right here. So boom, boom. Smaller time frame. This is consolidation. Same type of deal. Be looking for a break here, and then ultimately an hourly close or 4 hour close. And we're looking for a close on the hour or 4 hour into 40 cents. The ISO tokens look like they were going up. But let's take a look at gold real quick since we're on here. So we had a gold signal this morning on 1 hour. Same type of scenario here. Kind of slap-jawed. So again, so inverse head and shoulder, it's just broke. Stop losses all around this area. Boom, slammed, come back up. Descending channel. Looking for, we went up to 1986 right here. Actually a little bit higher than that, but anyway, so looking for a pullback here. These hours, past 2 hours, kind of moves a little fast. We got a little imbalance here and a little imbalance down here. This pattern generally, finding out more and more as we're in more markets, paying more attention to this downward consolidation after a breach of market structure, being an accumulation or a distribution phase. Previous run bullish, so this will be a bullish trend, especially on smaller time frame. Descending channel tends to be bearish. Break, entry, retest, going up. So, but the majority of the time, just like we're talking about when we're looking at XRP, we're looking pretty much for the same thing at gold, except for if it comes down from here, we'll be looking at a neckline right here and going up. Maybe. Nothing's for sure, of course. But a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let's take a quick look at the dollar real quick. The dollar is looking like it could pop. We have this consolidation going down right here. Get this back to normal. So right here. We're going to be doing the seven-step trading process for anybody that's trading or interested in trading. Then leverage trading. So we're going to be going over, and it'll apply to investing too. So like long term, if you're swing trading or investing, day trading, whatever the case, if you're watching the channel, you don't want to miss it. It's going to be it's a 7-step process that is mandatory for trading, especially trading, investing. But we're gonna be talking about, you know, the most boring stuff is the most important stuff, and, you know, risk management, journaling. I know a lot of people are like boring, 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 boring. You want to see which way the market's going. We're going to talk about that. I was just talking about this. Mark Douglas, for any of those that are familiar with Mark Douglas, he's like a legend. He's died, rest in peace. He died, rest in peace, Mark Douglas. But he's been the inspiration for us in a lot of ways. Looking at here on DXY, we have a similar possible like descending wedge here going into this support right here. But anyways, to be successful in the long term, I mean like months, years, decades, you need to be following these things. You got to get out of, I got to see how much money I can make today, and think about how much money do I want to keep my profits, or do I want to give them back next week or next month or next year, whatever the case. You need to be following, you know, everyone has a different strategy, that's fine, but there are some underlying fundamentals, dynamics, risk management strategies that need to coincide, that need to be in alignment. Execution, these things we're going to be talking about in greater detail later, so you don't want to miss that. You know, if you're serious, then, or, you know, remotely interested, then you don't want to miss it. If you've been trading for, you know, a year or 2 or 3 or 4, and you're not measuring your risk, you're not journaling, and you want desperately to be consistently profitable, then you definitely don't want to miss it. Don't let ego and things like that, excitement, euphoria and stuff, drown out the noise to someone that's telling you with experience you need to be doing these things, and we're going to show you how to do them if you want to be consistently profitable. Okay, you can't just wing this stuff. You need to be making measured moves, and you need to have somewhat fixed variables. Anyways, I didn't really want to get into that, but, you know, kind of like a pre-game. So when you see the video, it's going to be 7-step process to trading. So anyways, on DXY, following wedge into support, we had a triple top, or I guess like quadruple top, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, we're down here. But I just really wanted to get on and go over XLM real quick. Just a quick look at the stock market indices, whatever. S&P, we got up. We're up. NASDAQ, we're up. To continue to be bullish for cryptos, then we're going to be paying attention to this, and it looks like we're going to be continuing. The dollar continues down, and we get a break here on NASDAQ. Dow Jones, don't have the Dow Jones pulled up right now, but we break this structure up here to all-time highs on the NASDAQ, S&P, Dow Jones. Then this is the gateway to the next level on cryptocurrencies. Not necessarily NASDAQ, more Dow Jones, but I like to look at the S&P. So we're right here. This pattern could play out, and this could open the next door to Bitcoin coming up. So we're at 37,400 on Bitcoin. A little bit of consolidation. We've had some, you know, liquid moves here. You know, looks like we're collecting liquidity, stomping out the shorts. Might be about to pump up here, you guys. You know, again, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed until you see it happen, until it's done. But anyways, you guys, make sure and subscribe, like the channel. If you're on YouTube, you're seeing this on YouTube, and then if you are, this is our private group, Starting Point, in Facebook. So may as well show this, accent it again, but we have everything that you need on here. How to set up your MetaTrader 4, how to use a EA Trade Assistant, how to set up your trading view. You know, simple stuff. But there's also our household strategy on here. This has numbers and been tested and done all the stuff that we're going to be talking about on the 7-part trading process. But if you're interested in learning, there's no better time to get in and learn than now. The best time was yesterday, but today, if you've been thinking about it, then just reach out and holler. We'd love to have you on the team. If you just want to follow the Facebook page and get some chart updates on XRP and Bitcoin, that's what we've been covering for the most part here on these videos. We're dropping these videos also in the Win with Ryan channel. So, like I said, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, just reach out and holler, and we will help you out the best that we can. I hope that y'all are having a great start to your week, and we will holler at you later. See ya.